What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Seth the Lawn Surgeon, and about to do some maintenance. I'm gonna tell y'all something about my maintenance for a second, but I haven't did an official video with my truck in it, so I'll let y'all see my truck on an actual official high quality YouTube video. I did a live video, so pretty sure y'all already know 2010 Nissan Titan. This thing is crazy. I will do a tips to talk on trucks and stuff, but just want to let y'all see that right quick. Today is about maintenance, and I'm about to tell y'all something that some of y'all lawn care guys, hardcore lawn care guys, y'all gonna be appalled. Y'all gonna be like, what, Seth? I can't believe you did that. Now, I got my walk behind in 2016, last year. I got it last year in August, and I got my Gravely in September, and I have not sharpened the blades yet. I know y'all like, oh my gosh. The reason is, it's kind of for two reasons. One, because for laziness, I'm gonna be honest. Two, was kind of experimental reasons. My thing is, like, I usually try to sharpen my blades like every other month, and that's probably as much as I'm cutting now. It'll probably still be every other month, but you know, during the cutting season, I kind of did it for experimental reasons, like I said, because I wanted to see what the cut quality is when it has sharp blades versus when it has dull blades. You know what I'm saying? Because my thing is, if you get the mower and you start sharpening, then you're not really gonna know what your mower can really do. And I kind of wanted to see that. So, plus at the beginning of the season, I really never had any time. It kind of came up on me real quick, and I took them out here, and those things performed. You get what I'm saying? The walk behind has the mulching kit on it. The walk behind, basically when the blades get dull, it still cuts fantastically, but the it'll start to leave little sprouts, you know, because you gotta think about it. It's all the grass is where the mulching mowers go. All the grass gets caught up under the deck, and the blade chops them up real fine. But of course, if the blade's dull, it's not gonna be able to chop everything up, and it'll leave little sprouts of grass. But you know, as long as I go slower, and because I think it's commercial grade, it still cuts great. Same thing with the Gravely. Just got to go a little slower. If I can't use a full speed, and I don't use a full tilt, because if y'all know, these Gravely's go, I got the low end one, which goes 9 miles per hour. The high end Gravely's go 10 miles per hour, which is pretty fast for mowers. So if it goes 9, I'm probably averaging about 6 to 7 miles per hour on regular cutting, and then I'll probably you know, when it's dull, I'm probably going about 4 or 5 miles per hour. Just go slow, so I won't have to double cut it. And sometimes I still double cut it just to be safe. But what I'm gonna do today, kind of been forced. Like I said, I've been so busy at the beginning of the season. I guess I'll talk about that more so on a tipsy talk, but this beginning of the season been crazy. As you can see, I didn't even, the beginning of my season really forced me to get a truck. So it started off so crazy. It was like, it's no way my van, if my first week, 2 weeks is going like this, I know usually the lawn care season keeps growing, and I said, there's no way my van's gonna be able to keep up with this workload. You know what I mean? My van was fine doing a little side chugga-lugga type stuff, but I said I gotta get something And so basically I had took a week off. Y'all know I'm full-time. I took a whole week off from work so I could do maintenance on my equipment to sharpen my blades. But I was getting so many calls that I didn't even have time to do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try to do the walk behind first, because basically I have some wrenches, so I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna jack up this walk behind, because I have a jack, and I'm gonna figure out how I would jack it up to get it on jack stand. The walk behind I probably could pick up. The grave, there's no way. I tried to pick it up one time, almost broke my back. But I'm gonna figure out how to get these bad boys up to see if I have any wrenches to fit it. If not, I'm gonna head to, I think I'm probably gonna go to Home Depot. I usually like to go to Lowe's, but I gotta go to Home Depot to get a chain for my chainsaw. So yeah. This one too. The big one. Alright, so my this is my biggest wrench I got. It's too small. I'm gonna have to go get a bigger wrench. I'll probably look it up online. So I figured if this one's too small, the one for the grave is definitely too small. So maybe I can find it online. Alright, so I'm back home. Got me a 1-inch wrench. Luckily, Naylor, lawn care worker, he has one of these, but he has the 48-inch. So I'm assuming the bolt size is the same. And from guesstimation, I'm thinking these two have the same 1-inch bolt size. It's a 1-inch lug. 1-inch wrench for anybody who has one of these or thinking about getting one. But let me show y'all this weather, bro. So it's been it rained all day yesterday. Right now it's about going on 1 o'clock. They said at 12 o'clock today it was supposed to start raining, but at 12 o'clock literally the sun came out. And it's like this rain is playing with me, because I had like, I got between 10 to 15 yards left. I got I did about 6 of them, and I got people calling me, adding on and stuff. So, but they said it's supposed to rain for the rest of the day. But I gotta get this maintenance done. This maintenance is way more important. So I'm gonna get it done, because I could either go out here and try to get a few yards cut, you know, with some dull blades, or I could get these blades sharpened. And so we'll get to it. All right, people. A little chunky up under here, because like I said, there's mulching more. Got the mulching kit on this. Yeah, they're both sides divided. Well, I got a little divider piece there, but and I got the brackets on the side. But I like to get up in here, get the blades off, and you know, do a little cleaning while I'm up under here. So people want to see my maintenance process. So oh shoot. There go my alarm. Laid on my keys. Let me see if I can get this angle right for you guys. Alright. I think that might be good. Alright. Make sure this fits. Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Naylor. Alright, what I use is a C-clamp like here. Hope you guys can see that. Put the C-clamp on here. See, I got these whatchamacallit brackets. I don't want to put it on the brackets. So I'm going to put it over here. That boy twisted on there. Oh yeah. There we go. Which way we're going? This way. And mallet. Oh. And
See if we can get this bad boy out. That's it, people. See, a lot of people grow up out of these impact wrenches and whatnot. All you need is the right wrench and a rubber mallet. You are good to go.
Alright, for those of you who don't know, I use this to sharpen my blades. Nothing fancy. A lot of people use grinders, bench grinders, hand grinders. I actually have a hand grinder, but I like this. It works good. You know, get a super sharp edge, but sharpen up for me, and I keep it moving. Yes, sir. Alright, like I said, these blades are already jacked up because, like I said, I've been using them for too long anyway. But I don't know if this bad boy can focus. I'm gonna try to focus on my face. Come on. Can't really see the edge. There we go. Like I said, there's a whole bunch of divots and stuff in the blade anyway, but if you're on the move, you don't have a time to afford to get new blades, which I can buy some new blades. I probably will, but and I'm gonna rotate them in and out. But this works good. The main goal, people don't realize the main goal you're trying to achieve is creating a point. You know what I'm saying? Because you don't want to see what a lot of people do is they take so much off of the blade because they want it to be like good as factory. But you don't need to do all that. You just need to edge the point to enough to so that the point is sharp. It's like a pencil. Pencil, you know, it has the kind of diagonal part, and then once it gets to the tip, that's when it gets sharp. And so that's why I said this is it's not going to create a long sharp blade. It's going to smooth out the top, smooth out the bottom, and then you have to maneuver it just to make that point. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest, get them back on there. Alright guys, so got my blade sharpened for my walk behind. Of course, my luck, the blades on the wrench didn't fit my zero turn, so now I gotta figure something out. I think what I'm gonna do, hopefully if I get a chance, I'm gonna go borrow some wrenches from my friend Romeo, because he has like tools for everything, and see if one fits, and then that way I can know which one I need, you know, because like I showed y'all, like it's super easy. And Romeo showed me that trick. You know, you get a clamp, you get a rubber mallet and a wrench that fits, and you know, you knock it a couple times, it comes loose. What was happening with my zero turn, my Gravely, is that when I put the wrench on, it was starting to strip it. It felt like it fit, but it didn't really fit. So I'm thinking it's probably like millimeters or something, you know, the metric or whatever. So maybe I gotta get the metric size that's close to 1 inch. So I don't understand why lawn care companies don't just make it across the board the same. You know what I mean? If it's a zero turn, whatever. I can understand if one's a walk behind, one's a zero turn. You know, one blade's bigger than the other. But yeah, but anyway, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'm about to do a tipsy talk because I'm out here doing what I do best. I'm just doing a little something. I had some sausage buns, and so I brought some smoked sausages, some brats. So I'm cooking those on the grill just so I can have something to go with those buns so they don't go bad. But nothing too major. But I'm gonna do a quick tipsy talk. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and like I said, this is just part one of this maintenance video. So you know, people are asking about maintenance videos, so I'm gonna do some maintenance videos. I might even do some reviews. So stay tuned. Yes, sir.